Hello everybody, my name is Danny. This is SpendLessStore.com's YouTube channel, Spend Less Tools. In today's video, we are going to go over this Ryobi 18 volt drain auger. Model number on this is P4001. It is the 18 volt model. They do have another one that's hybrid as well, which has a cord with it. This one does not. It only runs on the 18 volt batteries. Gonna go ahead and drop a battery in it and kind of get right into some of the features here on this guy. Overall, especially at its price point, just like most other Ryobi tools, this guy really is very good compared to what else is on there at on the market, especially at this price point. So it does auto feed, which is really nice. Milwaukee has an M12 version that is only manual feed, meaning you have to manually put it in and out of the whatever you're using the auger on, as opposed to this guy is going to go forward and backward on its own without having to manually touch it and pull it out and put it in, which is really nice. So getting right into it, guys. So basically the way this works is you can pull the trigger and it's not always going to feed in or out, which is nice because when you get to whatever your clog is or whatever's stopping it, you can just let it spin and it'll kind of pull everything out, grab everything and break it up. Whereas when you need it to, you can either you can squeeze this and that's going to engage this clamp all the way down around that, or B, you can engage it and push that in and that's going to kind of hold it locked engaged, so it's going to feed or in or out as you go. And so now you'll see it goes in when I do that. Now it has right here, just where a drill would have a forward backwards, it also has a forward and backwards, and as you change that, it's going to change this from going feeding out to coming back in. So right now you'll see it's going out. And then we're going to flip it the other way and it'll pull it back in. And again, you can just unlock this blade and let that go. And if you want it to feed, you can squeeze it and let it go to stop as you please. And so in a nutshell, guys, that is the Ryobi drain auger. Again, I'm a big fan of this. If you do need a drain auger, this is definitely a reasonable one to get. It has a 25-foot cable on it, which is pretty standard for the industry. It is not upgradable to anything bigger, so I think 25 is the max you can throw on this guy. But again, it's a great tool. If you guys haven't already, please consider subscribing. It helps us out a ton. Also, simultaneously, it's going to help you get notified when we drop more tool reviews, videos, and we're going to do a giveaway at the end of this month for this entire kit to a subscriber, and we do the same thing every month thereafter where we do a random pick of a subscriber and give them either a tool or a toolkit or something of that nature. So don't forget to hit the like, hit the subscribes. Thanks so much for watching, and we're going to see you in our next video. Thanks, guys. Take care.